Now going over to question 14, here we have a data set C that consists of the heights of everything in data set A and everything in data set B. So if we start from the idea that the average, the mean of a set of numbers, is the sum of the numbers over the number of numbers, then we can take everything we have from A. In A, there are 75 buildings that each have an average height of 32. Now, the idea here is if the average is 32 for the 75 buildings, we can imagine that each individual value was 32. That's because if each value was 32, then the average would be 32. So the opposite holds true. If we know the average, we can assume for the purpose of doing the math that they all are that actual number. So we call that the idea of the average as a repeated number. So same thing for data set B. We'll say we have 50 buildings that each have a height of 62, even though we don't know for sure that they're 62, but we're going to imagine that they are. And we're dividing by 125 because there are 125 buildings altogether. So 75 times 32 is 2,400, and 50 times 62 is 3,100. And we're going to add that up. That adds up to 5,500. So we have 5,500 over the 125 on a calculator. That gives you 44, and that's our answer to this question.